Good morning. Hi guys. Allergies kama kawaida. It's a fine morning. I'm headed to Gikomba. I wanted to unhang the clothes nisipate baridi ama kunyeshewa because I want to come and model. Sionekani. It's quite early, by the way. It's 6. Oh, I woke up with my TV stand in mind. I wanted to see it during the day and it looks so good. I can't wait to show you guys. I want to show you once I'm back. Sahi lighting haitanifanyia justice. So once I'm back home, I'll show you how the TV stand looks. I'm ready for Gikomba. This is my outfit of the day. Nothing fancy. Excuse my slipper. I've just finished ironing the skirts that I got today. No, I'm washing. Yeah? Got 2 bags. Thank you. Got 2 bags. This is full of skirts. This as well, and some clothes that I needed to fix or adjust. Yeah. Cheesy kamaye. Guys, I'm back home and I got a couple of skirts as I showed you nikiwa Gikomba. These are some of them. I want to sort them out. These are just some dirty laundry. Excuse that, but here are the ones that nilipigisha pasi ni hizo. Easy, I need to wash them first before I post. I had promised nikirudi I'll show you how my TV stand looks like. I haven't styled it or anything. I was just trying something out yesterday. Guys, here is my TV stand. These are some of the clothes that I washed the other day. I need to fold those. But yeah, how cute! How cute! I'm also thinking of adding some paintwork for your wall, but so far I'm loving my space and how it's turning out. These books, I'll tag the page that I got them from. They were gifted from our WhatsApp import page. I'll link them kwa my description. This as well was gifted from a pot and plant shop. I'll link it as well, but the plant is mine. I stole a cutting from Emily's garden and then planted. And this is from the same China store, the WhatsApp one. And then this is from Kirote. It was gifted by Kirote. She has an interior page which I love, and also she posts her house kwa feed yake ya IG, so she got me these. And these ones are from Stage Market. I need to change these. Taki using nataka zile fluffy ones. So the inside looks like so. Hapa nataka kwa naeka wine. Yeah, that's the concept. So, or any drinks zikuwa boxed naeka hapa ndani. So in case you're visiting and you are wondering what to carry some wine, carry some gin, carry some liquor. We have space for that. And then inside here is the part where if I buy a DVD, are they called a DVD still? Yeah, if I buy one, nitakuwa naeka hapo. Why is it not focusing? And this other one looks the same. Inilitoa kwa that import page. Sijui if I should put it somewhere. Should I? Or should it be here? I'm not sure, but sahi naka hapo. This other part is just bare, nothing much. Basically that's how it looks, guys. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. I want to sort through the jeans, the denim skirts. Let me actually give you a haul. You notice I don't give you hauls nikitoka Gikomba. So this is one of the skirts. You see like how it's folded over here. I usually iron them again. So that's how it looks. My toenails look really bad. Second morning, but this is one of them. For those who say I don't stock big sizes, this this is probably waist 34, 35 thereabout. So just place them here. There's another denim skirt. I usually love the long ones with slits hapo mbele. So that's another one. I got a total of around 25. Na zote I have to post tomorrow. So guys, I'll look through this, iron them, and probably style or rather take pictures of some. Little lunch break. Finally guys, Jumia food walianza ku deliver around my area. So I got myself some sticky wings kunishikilia before I cook something. Yeah, and small blackcurrant and fries. Let me warm this up, eat, and then finish up on ironing the clothes. Guys, this is how I walk around carrying loads of bags. Yeah, I'm ready to head out. Sijaonyesha my outfit of the day, but I'm basically wearing a shirt and then mom jeans and shoes, rubbers, or better yet sneakers. Nzito. I have a minute or two to show you my outfit of the day. Sijui mbona na act ni kama I'm super late. Let me fix you right there. So this is my outfit of the day. I haven't folded clothes. There they are. Labda konaye. Guys, I'm trimming one of the outfits. Kairetu. Z. Ukisema kitu mbaya inatokea tu hapo. Okay. Nataka kuonyesha hiyo ya nini uone kama tununue. Nini hiyo? Inaitwaje? Hiyo ya Black Panther ni head to toe. Sawa. Hadi uso. Hadi uso iko covered. Okay. Amkova? No. Gani hizi? Hizi? Ama hizi? No. Hizo. Hizi? Yes. Mlikuwa mvae na cream. Yes. Amkova? Niliona kama mmevaa. Hiyo siku na ndio ilikuwa msao yake home. Oh. So ikabidi tumechange. Supposed to do this? Hii tunafaa crop. Nini tufanye ikuwe ratchet. Distressed. Yeah. Anakaje class? Nitakuwekea buttons. It's cute. Unakaa vizuri. And then imekul. Like imekushika where it should. Si ndio? Yeah. Hey. Yes, nipe. Where's mine? Please. Jaribu. I'm taking it. If you want to take a cab, it's expensive. Yeah. Because I'm kind of afraid to but for now, because of school, I'm like stuck. Na options nyingi. Na Ngong Road? That's what I'm in a class. Tuseme, hiyo siku sina client, I just have class. Okay. I have to drive for how long? Yeah. So I want to somewhere at most 30 minutes. Allow me to update you on what happened yesterday. So I came back home. First of all, Nina got me flowers. Thank you so much, Nina. Honestly, I'm thriving in my female friendship. So before I was interrupted by my battery dying. Did I just say by my battery dying? I was saying how I'm really enjoying this phase of growing friendships, my female friendships.
Hata huwezi jua nini ina happen as in sometimes.
Bishte yangu wako na job, wako na shop na tao. Wako na kamera zanaweza sikia kenye vile client wanaongeleshwa hizo.
Yeah, series tu za bulb zinatoka sound. So unaenda una review. Okay.
Siamini mimi nasema hii mambo. Naangalia amefika saa ngapi, anafungwanga saa ngapi, anafunga saa ngapi.
Hiyo unaweza.
Lakini najua.
Hiyo unaweza. Sasa payment ndio utabisa.
Nataka as much as business yangu ni yangu, nataka watu wa grow from it. Yaani apate a better life akinifanyia kazi. Guys, I'm at my tailor's, one of my tailors. I'm getting some clothes for a few customers as I drop the materials. Visiting my tailor and submitting the materials, I decided to look for a workshop, a small workshop to set up and bring in my machines. I bought machines from my previous vlog. If you've not watched that, this is just a continuation of what my life has been this past few months. So yeah, I bought machines and wanted to look for a place to place them and then get a tailor. Nakwambia, I was walking in faith, guys. Finally got this place. It was my favorite, but I did not have a tailor. So after making a deposit, I think I stayed 1 month without a tailor, just doing interviews and not getting my right fit. But continue watching the next vlog, which will drop tomorrow, hopefully, and see like how the past few months have been. But it's safe to say we have a tailor now. We are working at our workplace, and I'm so grateful for this far, honestly. Yeah, so this is me just setting up my little shop in faith without a tailor, and buying little things like Uzi and whatnot. Yeah, see you tomorrow.